Hi, this is Judy. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use the ShareASale Bookmarklet tool to create links for my blog. So once you've logged into your ShareASale account, you'll want to go to Links, create a custom link to a page, and then click this Download the Bookmarklet link. Now that's going to open another page. And the page has this ShareASale Product Discovery Tool link on it. Click that and drag it up to your toolbar or your bookmark bar and drop it there. I've already done that, so I'm not going to drop it again. So there I've got that link. Now, if you're still on the ShareASale site, it's not going to work. You need to actually go to the site that has the links that you need for your blog. So I'm going to go to the Spellbinder site and search for a product. Let's go over to my blog first, and I want to get the Fresh Sage cardstock. So go to the Spellbinder site and look for Fresh Sage. And open the product page. Now I can open my ShareASale Product Discovery tool. And this is going to show some images from the page. And there's a gallery here that shows different types of links that you can create. I'm not going to go over that right now. What I want for this tutorial, all I want is a link. So I'm just going to click, I just want the link only. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to put an abstract value in here. I'm just going to put blog. So I know if I get a sale from this, I'll know that it came from my blog. And now I'm going to click on I just want the link, and there's the link, so I'm going to copy that, go over to my blog, highlight the words, click link, go to the URL, paste it in there, make sure that open this link in a new window is checked. I'm going to test this to make sure that it opens the product page, and it does. And I'm going to click OK. And that's done. And now I can go on to the next link, and it's pretty much just the same thing. I'll close this window, go search for the product, hit the ShareASale again, and that's all there is to it. I think there's a few less clicks there, and you're only copying a link once instead of twice. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, let me know. Thanks for watching.